Hello everybody, this is Tim from Maclin Ford, and in this video I'm showing this 2018 Ford Escape. It's in the SE trim. It's equipped with a roof rack, moving to the back seat, we do have the power window controls there, which takes us to a bench seat that will fit 3 people, or you can always pull down the center console for a couple of cup holders. And you've got some seat back storage and a 12-volt outlet. Moving out to the driver's door, we do have the power locks right there, the power mirror controls, as well as the power windows. Moving just to the inside, you do have your automatic headlights, and it does include fog lights as well as a power liftgate release. And which takes me to the driver's seat, which is fully powered. Taking a look at the steering wheel, on the right hand side, you have your steering wheel mounted volume controls, your sync voice activated system, as well as your phone buttons. On the left side, you've got your cruise control, okay, and as well as your buttons for your dashboard menu. Now, taking a look at the menu, your dashboard rather, you can see that this Escape has 80,758 kilometers on it, and in your with your menu, you can select from trip 1 and 2, your information as well as vehicle settings. Okay, so moving off to the center display, or center dash there. Okay, right up at the top, you do have your radio system there, okay, as well as the feed from your backup camera. Now, scrolling down, you do have your CD slot, as well as your physical controls for your radio. Okay, and moving down, you have your physical controls for your climate system, which do include heated seats. Okay, and even further below that, you've got a 12-volt outlet as well as a USB port. Now, moving back from there, you got your gear selection. Okay, you got a couple of cup holders, as well as an electronic parking brake. Now, moving up to the ceiling. And you do have a little storage area here for some sunglasses, as well as your overhead interior lights. Thanks for watching. For more information on this Escape, give us a call at 587-871-8293 and quote stock number 19p8346a. Or you can go to maclinford.com or in person, 135 Glendeer Circle Southeast. Have a wonderful day.